Too many websites lose clients before the phone even rings, and the way you display pricing is often the reason why. Today, I'll break down 3 strategies you can use to handle pricing on your site and turn more visitors into booked inspections. The first option is posting your prices directly on your website. This works because clients appreciate honesty. They know what to expect, and it can build instant trust with buyers and agents. It also saves you time by filtering out people who can't afford your services. But here's the risk. Some prospects may leave without calling, and competitors can easily undercut you. Imagine you charge $450 for a standard inspection. If another inspector posts $399, clients may call them first, even if your service includes extras like thermal imaging or same-day reports. Posting prices works best in competitive markets where clients are comparing options quickly and want clear answers up front. Another option is to use starting prices or ranges. For example, inspections starting at $375 or most inspections range from $400 to $500. This gives clients a ballpark figure without locking you into one number. It also gives you flexibility for property size, age, or add-on services. The benefit is that you're being transparent, but still leaving room to explain your value before finalizing the price. The downside? If your range is too broad, it can confuse prospects. This works well if you want to show honesty while still giving yourself flexibility. Now let's talk about a third strategy, one that focuses entirely on lead capture. The final approach is to not post any prices at all. Instead, you direct prospects to request a quote through a form, chat, or phone call. This gives you control of the conversation. You can highlight your certifications, experience, and unique value before cost becomes the deciding factor. It also keeps competitors from seeing your fees. The risk is that some clients may leave if they don't see numbers. But if your website has strong trust signals, reviews, certifications, realtor endorsements, this approach can work extremely well. Think of it this way. Instead of competing on price, you're competing on trust and value. So, should you put prices on your website? The answer depends on your market and your sales approach. Post prices if you want speed and transparency. Use starting at pricing if you want trust plus flexibility. Skip prices and capture leads if you want full control of the conversation. No matter which approach you choose, your pricing page should never lose you inspections. Done right, it becomes a powerful tool to build trust and drive more bookings. At HIH, we don't just build websites, we build inspection businesses, stronger referrals, and control of your local market. And because we only work with one inspector per area, your competitor can't get this advantage. Book your free strategy call today at homeinspectorhelp.com. And let's turn your website into a 24/7 lead machine.